Yeehaw, man, I got me a really cool Chrysler 300 blacked out windows rental car. I'm here at Clemens Aviation, fixing to go fly an MD500 helicopter with Austin Clemens. It's gonna be fun. Let's go. So I got a goodie bag, got a sweatshirt and a shirt and a cap.
Here it is.
And it's all Clemens Aviation because I can't put my headset over the hat. We're gonna have fun.
MD500.
Here we are, MD500, huh? Look at this.
500.
I feel like Magnum PI now. Yeah. Are you old enough to fly this thing by yourself?
Nope.
Well, that's why I'm going with you, right?
Yeah, that's fine.
And Corey here just come up here and bought him a brand new Husky. Almost brand new.
2020, 120 hours on.
Wow. And you're flying back tomorrow?
Yeah.
It's a little windy today.
Yeah, a little bit. Yep. I didn't want to eat it all in my teeth.
No, I don't blame you. But unexpected bonus here to get to check this. What's this? T20B Rolls-Royce T20B. How many horsepower?
It's a C20B.
Oh, C. How many horsepower?
420.
420. And how much does this thing weigh?
I think it's 115 pounds.
For the engine?
Yep.
Wow. What about the whole helicopter?
Around 1,300 pounds.
1,300 pounds. 115 pound engine putting out 420 horsepower.
Yeah, crazy.
That is amazing.
Sick.
That is cool. Well, does it look good in there?
Yep.
All right.
Nothing leaking.
Nothing leaking, that's a good thing. You know, in the old Army days, the Chinooks, when we used to get in there when I was a young Marine, if it wasn't leaking, we didn't want to get on because we figured it was empty.
Right.
If there wasn't oil on the ramp, we figured it was empty.
Yeah.
Come here.
Yeah.
We got to make sure the rotors are attached, right?
Yeah. There.
So-
all these pitch links.
Yeah, pitch links, drag braces, and lead lag. What do you call those?
Yep. Lead lag is right here.
Yeah. And you got the swash plate, got the dinner plate and everything else, right?
Something like that. Helicopters.
Yeah. Make sure you're going to show me everything, right?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Pretty simple.
Yeah, just make sure that whatever you let me do, just make sure you watch me. This is pretty cool, Corey.
Oh shit.
You
New Uncle Dwayne, but you're gonna give us a helicopter.
I know it. And
Own personal pilot.
I didn't even realize you were going to be up here.
Yeah, I sure had no idea you were gonna be.
This is cool. Texas come to Kansas, huh?
Yep. It's cold and windy and
Hey,
but otherwise,
yeah. But I got my Clemens.
yeah,
I got my Clemens. I'm representing, so let's see. Let's see. You
I
can
got
do it.
mine today too.
All right. There we go. And all right, just make sure you're going to show me everything, right?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Pretty
So-
simple.
Yeah, just make sure that whatever you let me do, just make sure you watch me. All right, this is going away.
All right, frictions are on 1, 2, and 3, especially on the collective. We got more than 22 bolts. Fuel is cut off. TOT, oil pressure 0. Plenty of fuel. 40 gallons remaining. So
it.
Ready. They lighten off once it peaks. Blades are spinning. Oil pressure's alive. TOT. Blades are still spinning. Second rise on the TOT. Peaked out at 660. Button on the starter. 60%.
that was pretty awesome. Austin just got out of the helicopter and he's got a remote control helipad, and now he remotely taxiing me into the hangar. Wow, this is something else. This is a next level Clemens Aviation. Awesome evening. All right, awesome, man. That was a blast.
It was.
And it's been a while since I flew a helicopter, so that was really fun.
You picked it up quick, though.
Yeah, it was fun. And Stearman, we went over to Stearman, and so we actually dropped Corey off.
Yeah.
So I actually did a mission.
Yeah,
I
dropped
did a
him
mission.
off.
I had a mission to
Dropped
fly
him off
this
5 miles east.
Yeah, so it was a lot of fun, and I think you appreciate it a lot.
It was fun.
And
good flying with you.
I got to tell you, Dad, thanks too. But,
Yeah.
This was a lot of fun, and man, I had a blast last night too.
Oh, good.
Eating over at Stearman Field and hanging out with you.
Yep.
Clemens clan is an awesome bunch of folks.
Yeah.
So if you're ever up here in the Kansas, Wichita area, come over here and check out
Yep.
Clemens Aviation. They got my Bonanza in a hangar.
Yep.
You topped me off there. Good service, so
Yep.
excellent. Thanks a lot. Yeehaw.